How do BONOSS wheel spacers work on BMW?
Installing wheel spacers on BMW X series is an ordinary option that most people will do. By pushing out the wheel, you can gain a small amount for clearance for bigger wheels. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting performance parts without wheel scratching. Hub-centric wheel spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Compared with an ordinary hub-centric, BONOSS uses a multi-stage hub-centric design, which means that the multi-stage hub-centric can make the spacers more closely fitted to the wheel hub, greatly reduce the vibration of high speed caused by the inaccurate hub-centric. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are safe to use. Aluminum alloy 6061T6 and 7075T6 material brings many desirable properties: high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance.